Introducing Clipboard Academy, your on-demand platform to access videos and guides on how to create great extracurricular programs. Clipboard Academy is your place to learn about how to use Clipboard effectively. It enables you to extend your knowledge about Clipboard's functions, streamline your school's implementation, and access targeted content on demand. By using Clipboard Academy, your school and your staff will be able to streamline your own setup, improve your understanding of Clipboard and our modules, as well as provide on-demand learning which can be accessed anywhere, anytime. Academy content can be accessed by feature-specific courses, allowing you to dive deep into certain modules, browse by topic, finding content quickly when you need it, as well as popular videos, which showcase what is trending within the Clipboard community. Boost your skills in managing great activities and get in touch to learn why leading schools choose Clipboard. Clipboard, great activities start here.